Today we discuss canons of basic proportionality theorem. Canons of basic proportionality theorem. Already learned about basic proportional theorem or Thales theorem. Today we are going to discuss canons of basic proportionality theorem or canons of Thales theorem. Okay, to understand it, first of all, what is a statement? Statement. What is statement of basic proportionality theorem? If a line divides two sides of a triangle in the same ratio then the line is parallel to third side. So what is the statement? If a line divides two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to the third side. What is the statement? If a line divides two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to the third side. That is a statement. So what is, to prove it, first of all you have to draw figure. So take ABC as triangle. So take triangle ABC. Take triangle ABC. Suppose line DE divides AB and AC in the same ratio. In triangle ABC, if a line, that line is nothing but DE divides two sides AB and AC in the same ratio. So the same ratio is nothing but AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. The DE is dividing AB and AC in the same ratio, means AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. So first of all we write down given data. So what is the given data? In triangle ABC, AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. In triangle ABC, the line DE divides the two sides AB and AC in the same ratio. So AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. That is a given statement. Now what we have to prove? RTB required to prove. What? Prove that the DE is parallel to BC. DE is parallel to this. DE is parallel to BC. You have to prove that one. Now proof. I am going to prove this theorem in indirect method. Already know that indirect method. Already learned about direct method and indirect method in 9th class. In indirect method, we are going to take contrary to the given statement. So suppose that DE is not parallel to BC. Suppose DE dash is parallel to BC. So DE dash is parallel to BC. Suppose that DE dash is parallel to BC. Now how is DE dash parallel to BC? How is DE dash parallel to BC? So since DE dash is parallel to BC, using Thales theorem or basic proportion theorem, if a line is parallel to one side of the triangle, then it divides other two sides in the same ratio. So using that Thales theorem, by Thales theorem or basic proportionality theorem, AD by DB by basic proportion theorem, AD by DB is equal to AE dash by E dash C. So forget about this DE. Now we have to consider DE dash is parallel to BC. So that's why AD by DB is equal to AE dash by E dash C. Okay. But what is given in the data? AD by DB is equal to ABC. So, but given that AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. What we got here? AD by DB is equal to AE dash by E dash C. But actually what is given there? AD by DB is equal to ABC. From these two equations, so the left side parts are equal. So right side parts are also equal. Therefore, AE dash by E dash C is equal to AE by EC. So why? Because left side parts are equal. So right side parts are also equal. So AE dash by E dash C is equal to AE by EC. Adding 1 on both sides. Adding 1 on both sides. So AE dash by E dash C plus 1 is equal to AE by EC plus 1. So by taking LCM, E dash C, AE dash plus E dash C into 1, E dash C, in the same way LCM, EC, AE plus EC into 1, EC. AE dash plus E dash C. This is AE dash, this remaining is E dash C. By adding AE dash and E dash C, by adding AE dash and E dash C, by adding these two lengths, what you get? Nothing but AC. So AC by E dash C is equal to AE plus EC. This is AE length, it is EC length. This is AE length, it is EC length. By adding those two, nothing but again AC. AC by EC. So both numerators are equal, you can cancel them. Therefore E dash C is equal to EC. So if you look at the figure, E dash C is this much length, this is the length of E dash C and it is the length of EC. E dash C and EC lengths are not equal. So but here we got equal means this is possible. This is, that means this is E dash C, this length is equal to EC length. The length of E dash C should be equal to length of EC. Possible when this E dash coincides with E, otherwise those two are two different lengths. So this is possible only when this E dash, whatever drawn DE dash parallel to BC. The DE dash is nothing but DE, that is nothing but E dash coincides with E. This E dash won't get here, actually this E dash also coincides with E. So it is possible, it is possible unless E dash coincides with E. E dash coincides with E. Therefore, we have taken DE dash parallel to BC. Since E dash coincides with E, E dash is nothing but E. DE parallel to BC. DE parallel to BC. So therefore, the statement, if a line divides two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to third side. To prove that DE is parallel to BC.
ఇది ప్రజల టీవీ.